I think my favourite part from the day at Frankfurt School of Finance was probably the lectures. I thought the lectures were really interesting. So we had 2 lectures on ESG. One of them was from a lecturer, the other was from a treasury guy, which was really interesting. Then I thought it was really good how we had the city tour. So we went through Frankfurt, we still had the lecturer with us, and we had a tour guide. I thought that was really enjoyable. Ran to that, but no, we went to a really good museum, saw some art, and the evenings were good with everyone from the course. It was really nice to kind of spend more time with everyone. But no, yeah, really good fun in Frankfurt.
Today we visited Solvay, Brussels School of Management and Economics and Management, and we had a good talk about how the financial perspectives towards certain issues, let's say subprime crisis and stuff like that, and the professor he just put all in while explaining every single transaction or how the accountancy effort works, and he made the conversation really two-way, and he made everyone involved in the conversation, which was really nice.
I didn't know any other courses that do a trip like this, or a trip at all. So definitely, yeah, it's definitely a bonus. It's like that basically feels like a free holiday. So.
This is like once in a lifetime experience, I'd say, because experiencing the university and the culture of the country and a specific city, and then getting a time to just explore whatever you like in these 7 days is something that you can't plan and make it for yourself. Right now I'm getting a taste of finance and culture at the same time, which I absolutely am enjoying it. So 100%.